the concept of 10,000 hours and how it can help you in your business after this intro. So, this happened today. I just genuinely commented on a post on Instagram that was talking about deep diving into things when you are sharing it. And I mentioned the thing called 10,000 hours, and concept of 10,000 hours. And like I was then that person commented, and we had a brief discussion on that topic. But when I screenshotted it and shared that comment in the stories and asked how many of you know about 10,000 hours, it was surprisingly that more than 70% didn't knew about it. And so what I thought, I should make a video on this topic, so it can be an original topic, and let my ideas come to a video that how this concept 10,000 hours concept can help you in your business, in your branding, in your marketing, and other things. So let's begin. So first I'll tell you the concept of 10,000 hours. So 10,000 hours was a concept framed by Malcolm Gladwell. Malcolm Gladwell, and he stated that if you want to master any art form, any you want to master anything that you want to master, you have to give 10,000 hours into that thing. And surprisingly, like Jeff Bezos and uh, Facebook's Mark Zuckerberg and all those people whom we admire as a pioneer of something are like using that concept into doing anything. So let's try to understand how it can, what it is. It is like, it is an abstract number, 10,000 hours. And it's not like you actually have to put in 10,000 hours. It's like 10,000 hours is like putting in too much time into understanding anything and getting good at it day by day. So 10,000 hours can't be put in one day. Even if you put 5 hours a day, it will take around 5 to 6 years for you to master anything. So considering that people are so like baffled with that number that they don't go ahead with the learning, or if they don't know about this concept, people give out easily and they don't attain success in that thing. So that's the main this thing that what a concept is. And if you consider it in the terms of business or marketing, you need to do certain things for a longer period of time that it gets stuck in people's head. Like even the jingles that you see on advertisements, you have heard them so many times that it catches on. uh, like I remember the Trivago guy, 4 to 5 years ago, I guess, on the IPL, when IPL was going on. The Trivago guy used to come in every commercial break, and like that thing can literally go in your mind again when you just see that photo of that person now. So that's what 10,000 hours means, that you do things consistently for a longer period of time, that you achieve the greatness or achieve the mastery in that thing. Like branding, you need to do so much of it visually everywhere that people remember your brand whenever they think about that product or service. Like you can see It's done with Vivo and Oppo in India. Now, most of the people who don't think about quality of the phone and just want a smartphone go for Vivo or Oppo because it has been marketed so well, it has been branded so well, it has been advertised so well and so for a longer period of time that got stuck in people's head that those are a good brand. Even when if you talk about other brands that come across your mind, you'll recognize this thing that it took long time to them to catch on. Ironically, my post today on Instagram was about going viral instantly, and what helps things go viral instantly. But viral is short term. If you want to do things for a longer period of time, for a bigger time span, you need to put in that 10,000 hours, and finally you can achieve that greatness, that mastery, or that goal you want to reach with by doing that thing, like branding or marketing that thing to people. You need to put in that much effort, that much hours into that thing, into marketing it to people, that people get used to it, that catches on, that stays there forever because of 10,000 hours. Hope this gives you a perspective of doing things, and hope this helps you in building your brand. It helps you in understanding how to market your brand. Uh, and that's it. That what I just got baffled with people not knowing this concept. This concept is so useful and so unique that how can you not know that thing? So with that said, let's end this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for giving your time. Bye bye.